A friend wanted to renovate her apartment on her own, but knew she was going to need some help with some structural stuff. That's where I come in.
Alright, now that we have the material in, it's time to build our temporary walls. We're going to put a wall on either side of where the beam's going to go, temporary support the floor above. Let's get to it, but it's dusty in here, so we're going to gear up. Alright, welcome back. This is exciting. Today we get to install our brand new beam and create an open concept.
First, we have to cut away the existing joists and create a pocket.
Tim the big gun, weighing in at 185 pounds. Couldn't think of a better man to help me lift these beams in place. This man's a beast. He knows wood, he chews right through it, doesn't even need a sawzall. We call him Tim the Toolman Taylor.
Now that Tim and I have created a pocket for our beam, we can start putting it up, piece by piece. It's important to glue in between each layer. This is going to be a 4-ply beam, which means we'll have 4 pieces to put up. After the beam is in place, grab your palm nailer and install a joist hanger on every joist. Alright, now that all the joist hangers are on, it's time to put in our posts, and then we can remove our temporary wall. I use the pump jack to make sure it's nice and level. Then I can remove the wall. Alright, now that our existing walls are out and our temporary walls are out and our beautiful beam is in, it's time to get to work. Now we can further this wall, getting it ready for plumbing and electrical. We're making this wall thicker to allow us to run our plumbing in this party wall, separating the stairwell and her suite. We can do blocking for our shear wall. Once the blocks are installed, we can sheet it with 1/2-inch plywood. Blocks allow us to nail every edge. And we can do everything else, like our drop ceiling, and get everything ready for our trades. I installed drywall around the lights for fire protection because we're in an apartment. Rebecca wanted a floating entertainment unit because of the baseboard heater. After we designed it, it was time to build it.
Alright, now our next step is to frame the fireplace and the TV.
I'm sheeting the whole unit, so I brought Ernest, our electrician, in to wire it before that happened. With Ernest finishing the wiring and Kelly finishing the plumbing, we're almost ready for drywall. While that's happening, we can get the bricklayers start prepping this fireplace. First they put the mesh on, then they put the mud on, then they put the rock on. Almost there.
Alright, we're now in stages of reno. We can get our inspections for our plumbing, electrical, and structural. And once they pass, we'll be able to button this place up. It's going to start looking like a home pretty soon.
From this point forward, Rebecca was more than capable from taking over the job. The next time I got to walk through this front door, it looked a lot different in here. Check it out. We redid the bathroom with a new vanity, fixtures, and wallpaper. We also put in this sneaky makeup cabinet, which worked out pretty well. She retoweled around the bathtub and ran her beautiful flooring throughout the whole suite, right into the bedroom where we built that sheer wall, painted the walls, redid the ceiling, and dressed it up pretty nice. In the kitchen, she went with a more traditional contemporary look. With shaker cabinet doors and a marble backsplash, she went with the stainless steel hood fan. Her fixtures were gold and beautiful diamond handles. And these glimmering pendant lights really helped make the place sparkle. But it's this island that stole the show. With these detailed newel posts, it really helps tie the place together. But let's not forget about that custom entertainment unit. With that light rock and that iron grill, makes for one heck of a feature wall.